Hey YouTubers, we're here with another episode of another project that I backed on Indiegogo. It's called the SwitchCharge, and it's meant for your Nintendo Switch. Currently I'm using the Nyko SwitchCharge, which isn't too bad. It does the job, gives me a good charge and everything. There's a stand. You see the Nyko has a stand, and I also have a case, which is the actual Nintendo Switch case, which actually fits the Nyko case. Okay, let's get down to it. This is the unboxing of the SwitchCharge. As you can see, this is what we have inside here. The SwitchCharge. I'll let it sit on my little spinning wheel rotation. You see the box, front, and then we have the back part. And as you can see, they did some changes to the original design. There is a improved kickstand right here. It's two instead of like the Nyko one, which only has the one kickstand, which sometimes falls over. Then you have some gaming card slots and some other charging ports. Supposedly come with a carrying case, USB-C, the switch charger, and a screen protector. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. It's supposed to be some other additional things I forgot to review. 10,000 milliamp LED charge indicator, and it also can double as a phone charger. Okay, it says here there's some card information that the co-founders of the SwitchCharge wanted to tell us. Just been a long journey, all the patience. And then we have the next card. We have, there's also a, let's see, we also have instructions. Let's see, we would lift the SwitchCharge opening mechanism, put the charge in, SwitchCharge begin charge, use the power, push the kicks to enable tabletop mode for multiple services. Key function indicators, press button once to trigger, hold down, it will stop charging. All these LED indicators how many charge level. Okay, so let's see. Seems like it's a bigger, better case than the original. You can see the Nintendo case. Bit thicker. Feels a lot better though. Let's open it up. Ooh, okay. So this is the USB-C cable and some screen protectors. This is the actual SwitchCharge case right here. You can see, lift the switch up right here, put the switch in there. Okay. It's pretty sturdy. Different viewing angles. It seems to hold up pretty well. Like this. And then we have the battery light indicator. It's already been pre-charged. USB for your phone, and to charge it, USB-C. So let's take this out. I actually like this case because feels pretty good. The Nyko feels pretty slippery, so I think that it's gonna fall out sometimes. But in order to get the Nyko out, it has an extra cover. So let's take the switch out of the Nyko charger. And let's put it into here. Overall, it does feel like it has a lot better grip. Feels like almost just as heavy as my Nyko's charger. But I like the different viewing angles that this case comes with. Overall, I am pleased. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna let's spin on my wheel so you can see what it looks like. Okay, as you can see, my console battery is pretty low, so let me see if I can turn this on. Let's see if we can turn on to. Let's see how we can turn this on. They told us to hold it down for. Oops. There we go. And now it's charging. See, 3 bars left, and now it's charging. As you can see, the lightning bolt next to the battery, so it seems to be working. I would say I'm pretty pleased overall with my investment. Did take a while, but I can tell that I really actually like this case better than my Nyko's case. And let's see another different view angle. It holds the view angle pretty steadily. Doesn't seem to fall or anything. And it clicks every time it goes to a different view angle. And thank you for watching.